Hey everyone, what's up? Hey, coming up on this episode of Good Tech Cheap, something for all of you that need to sit and want to do it in a better, more comfortable, and honestly, more ergonomically, medically designed way, so you improve your health, your posture, reduce your stress, reduce your pain, all these good things and more. Follow me. Hey everyone, what's up? And welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Kevin. Thank you for joining. Please do me a favor if you can. Like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap. Why? Well, because we review awesome products that are inexpensive and get the job done and save you money while improving your quality of life. So today we have an ergonomic office chair from SIHOO, and we're going to unbox it, put it together, and then put it through its paces so you can see what's up. Shall we get started? I'll speak for everyone. Yes, let's do it.
The SIHOO M18 Ergonomic Office Chair. Streamlined backrest. The SIHOO M18 features a design that contours perfectly to the shape of your back, providing solid support and allowing you to recline back and relax in complete comfort. Also featuring an adjustable headrest. Alleviating pressure on your cervical spine, the adjustable headrest provides 3.54 inches of vertical adjustment and 45 degrees of front to back tilt, offering excellent support for the weight of your head, promoting relaxation and reducing tension. Dual adjustable lumbar support. The lumbar support offers 1.9 inches of vertical adjustment and 1.2 inches of front-to-back control, flexibly adapting to the shape of your spine and providing relief from soreness caused by prolonged sitting. There are also height-adjustable armrests. The armrests adjust 2.8 inches vertically, which ensures that your forearms and elbows are in a comfortable position, promoting relaxation in your neck and shoulder muscles. The maximum recline angle is 126 degrees, and it provides 110-116 degrees as well. The M18 allows you to effectively relax your body and mind in whichever position suits you best. And the W-shaped premium cushion combines tied-up mesh, soft cotton, and raw cotton to create a soft and comfortable sitting surface that provides uniform support, ensuring comfort even during long sitting sessions.
Alright, so there you have it. The SIHOO M18 Ergonomic Office Chair. I love its adjustability. I love its back support. I love the fact that it was easy to put together. I pretty much dig it. And you know what? It's going to be my office chair. What do you think about that? If you want to find out more, get one of your own. Hey, guess what? Link in the description below. Please click on that and check it out. I'd like to thank SIHOO for sponsoring this video and sending us the chair so we could unbox it, put it together, and show all of you out there how great it is. Once again, link in the description below. Please check it out. That wraps it up for today's video, so I want to thank you for watching. I've been your host, Kevin, and on behalf of Good Tech Cheap, stay safe and be kind, and we'll see you next time.